Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because today I'm gonna share everything I got during the Sephora sale. So as you can see, I got quite a bit of stuff. I did go twice, maybe 3 times. So let me just share everything that I picked up. I'm so excited. It's my favorite time of the year. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Sephora Pro brush bronzer. This is the number 80 brush and this is what it looks like. I only have one Sephora collection brush and it's actually really nice, so I wanted to pick up some more since they are 30% off. All of the Sephora collection is 30% off for everybody. I have a hair. I picked this one up. I'll probably use it more for powder, not so much bronzer, but yeah, I got that. I got the House Labs by Lady Gaga Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I've already tried this and you guys, this is like a filter on your face. It is so good. I love it. So I only got to wear it for a few hours. I haven't tested it for an all-day wear, but I can't wait to do that. I mean, so far so good. It looks amazing, just like right off the bat. So this is very exciting. So I got the shade 270 light, medium, neutral, and I've also heard a lot of good things, but I can see why, because so far so good. Okay, next I got another brush. This is the Rare Beauty Positive Light highlighter brush. Positive Light Precision, oh my gosh, brush for highlighter. And I've already kind of like taken it out of the packaging, but this is what she looks like. It's just a little highlight brush. I've been needing to replace a lot of my brushes. I've had a lot of them for years and most of them are Morphe. Not that Morphe's bad, but some of them have started to like shed, so I thought it was time to get some nicer ones. Okay, so then the next thing I got was the Say Sun Melt. I got the shade Medium Bronze. This is another product that I've been wanting to try. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so here it is. I do own the Chanel bronzer, so I'm guessing it's like very similar. I don't know, but the Chanel bronzer is great, so this has a lot to live up to. Hopefully it's good. I then got the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener from Rare Beauty. I've been wanting this since it literally came out and I have never been able to find the color that I want. It's always sold out. This was the last one at my Sephora and I felt like, you know, it's meant to be. So here she is and on sale. I cannot wait to try this. I've also heard great things about this as well. I also picked up the Sunny Days, I think it's just called Sunny Days, I don't know, from Tower 28. It's a tinted sunscreen. Again, can't wait to try this. I have definitely tried during the sale to buy products from brands that I've never tried before. I mean, I've tried Rare Beauty, but I've never tried Say. I've never tried Tower 28. I've never tried House Labs. So I was really focused on trying to get makeup from brands that I've never used before. So I'm excited for this. And I got the shade 38 Pomona. I love that all of the colors are kind of like California, city, states, all that stuff. I got another product from, oh no, this is another brush from Say. This is the big brush. And I want to use this for my foundation. Ooh, she is a big brush. But yeah, it feels really, really soft. The bristles are really dense. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. So I got this brush. Then I picked up the YSL Lash Clash mascara. I actually have tried this, but I've tried it in the black one and I really, really loved it. But I wanted to try the brown because brown mascara is trending all over TikTok and I feel like I need to hop on the trend. I wear brown mascara normally on my lower lash line, but I never wear it on my top, so I'm excited to try it on my top lashes. Today I'm wearing actually like purple mascara. I don't know if you're able to tell, but I love that like colored mascara is kind of like trending right now. Next, I got another product from Tower 28. This is the Swipe Serum Concealer. I got the shade 6IE. That's funny because I grew up in the IE. See what I mean? Like they have cool California names. Next, I got the Milk Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. I love the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but I really wanted to try this one just because I do have oily skin. And I was reading the reviews and it seems like it had good reviews. I just got the mini though to try because I didn't want to commit to the big one since I do love the Hydro Grip one. So yeah. Okay, I got another brush from Say. This is the Fluffy brush. So this is more like a brush that you would use to like put on setting powder. like this. And I love that these are small, like, because that's great for travel. Not that I travel that much, but when I do, it's nice to have like smaller sized things. So I got this from Say. Okay, this is something that my fiance actually picked out for me. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I already tried this and it works so good. I love melting balms. I don't always use them because I'm I'm just like lazy and I just prefer makeup wipes sometimes. But this took off like all of my makeup. It was great. So then the last thing in this bag is the Laneige Water Bank Eye Cream. I had a little like sample of this and I loved it. I've been waiting for the sale to come so that I could get it, and I finally got it, and it's just like so hydrating, lightweight, like not greasy. It's just great. So if you've never tried the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Eye Cream, I highly recommend. I also really love the moisturizer, but for me, because I have combo skin, sometimes it can be a little heavy, so I don't use that one as much, but I have tried it and it is really good if you have skin that's more on the drier side. That is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna do like a video where I try out all these products, maybe my next video or the one after that, I don't know, we'll see, but I'll be sure to link everything down below. The sale is going on until November 6th, so there is still some time if you want to pick anything up. But yeah, that's it. All right, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.